Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, July 17th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we had some low clouds and fog in place earlier this morning. That is now starting to give way as the sun continues to rise and the inversion in the atmosphere begins to fall away. That's leading to a reduction in cloud cover, but still a lot of overcast clouds around the region. Visibility is improving, though, around 7 to 10 miles, which is certainly better than below 2 miles as it was earlier this morning. We still have a few areas here in the Poconos and in the Hudson River Valley where visibility ranges anywhere from about 1 to 3 miles, but that is also steadily improving. Temperatures throughout the region range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s in your suburbs, and mid to upper 70s in your urban areas. Again, a slight reduction in humidity throughout the region, but it's not significantly noticeable yet. But as we move on through the day, we'll continue to feature a rather tropical air mass in place once again, as really not much in the way of the air mass has changed despite the cold fronts that continue to attempt to move through the region. We can see that right now, this cold front, yeah, it's moving through, but it's not really packing much of a punch as far as air mass changes or anything of that nature. As we can see on the WeatherTap radar and surface map, we have a few isolated showers and thunderstorms out here towards central Pennsylvania, but that is pretty much about it. And these frontal boundaries, as they move through, they're pretty much weakening as they do so. So they end up as these troughs here. So not much of a change in the air mass is really expected. That's going to be a theme over the next 7 days, unfortunately, with much of the same moving on through the forecast period. The infrared satellite picture you can see, we have sky cloud covered throughout the region. Here's our next cold front that will be approaching for tomorrow. Again, not expecting much in the way of air mass change, but it will increase the threat for showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon and evening once again. On the visible satellite picture, you can see some of those low clouds starting to give way. And of course, we are dealing with haze as well from the Canadian fires. Unfortunately, that smoke is still a threat and still a problem throughout the region. Not as bad as what we saw several weeks ago, but you're going to notice a bit of a haze into the sunshine because of some of that smoke. Let's dive into this forecast for today. Isolated showers would be a threat, but for the most part, we're dealing with sky cloud cover. As far as the temperatures for today, look for them to range from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior and along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. And really, for the next 7 days, for today all the way on through Sunday, we're going to continue to remain in the same range, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s in your suburbs, lower to mid 70s in your urban areas. High temperatures range from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. The difference each day will pretty much come down to the potential for showers and thunderstorms. If you get those thunderstorms, you're going to end up a bit cooler, temperatures in the 80s. If you don't get into those thunderstorms, you're more likely to push towards 90 degrees, especially in the Delaware River Valley and around the Philadelphia metro. So for tonight into tomorrow, watch out for some areas of fog. For tomorrow afternoon, that stronger cold front approaches. Again, not much of an air mass change, but certainly an increase in potential for scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours. On Wednesday and Thursday, more of a weak trough is lingering around the region. So the showers and thunderstorms are more isolated in coverage. They're going to be weaker, so remaining below severe levels for the most part, but still that potential for heavier downpours because of the high level of moisture in the atmosphere. On Friday and Saturday, a stronger cold front will attempt to move through the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the region for much of the forecast period. So this will also happen at night as well. And then on Sunday and Monday, a little bit more high pressures in control with sky cloud cover. And we're going to notice a reduction in our temperatures because of a reduction in humidity. So by Monday, we'll have low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe out there.